Hello everybody, welcome back for another video. Hope you're all doing well and having a great day. So it has officially happened. The price of Bitcoin has finally 100% passed the $6,000 mark. There are a few websites around who are recording slightly different prices. I think there was CoinMarketCap, there's CoinDesk, and there's another website that has the prices, and they are listing prices anywhere between $6,003 and $6,025. So we have officially passed it. The price has since dipped a tiny bit because people always sell once you hit the $6,000 mark, but that's totally fine. We know it's going to go back up. I think the price went up by a couple hundred within a few hours, which is great. And it's really funny that this also happened when there wasn't much news about anything from Bitcoin or anything, any type of upgrades or stuff like that. It kind of just happened without people really even noticing, which is fantastic. This is great because about a week ago, we were around the $5,300 mark. So yeah, we have come a long way since 2009. Bitcoin's market cap is literally almost over the $100 billion mark, which is absolutely incredible. We said before in the last video, the video before that, a lot of analysts keep saying that they see the price of Bitcoin going up to $10,000 a coin by next summer. We are more than halfway there, which is just great because I can't wait till we finally reach that number. I have a lot of friends who are waiting to kind of rub it in other people's faces, just to put it in a nice way, because everybody keeps saying it'll never happen, but we know that it's going to get there. Next up, we have news from there's a guy named Mark Cuban. I don't know if you've heard of him before. You probably have. He is probably one of the most famous investor, entrepreneur people on the planet that we have nowadays. He has told people that they should invest up to 10% of their net holdings into cryptocurrencies. So it seems like he's actually made some sort of a video guide for people to watch online. I don't know the exact name of the video. I'm sure you can find it very easily on YouTube. The whole point of the video is literally, I think it's called Getting Rich or How to Get Rich. And in the video, he actually tells people 9 tips to maximizing long-term wealth. All the way at the 5th place on his guide, he tells people to invest up to 10% of their savings into Bitcoin and Ethereum. Which means that Ethereum is finally catching the eyes of the higher ups, if you will, because everybody just always says Bitcoin over and over and over. So the fact he says Ethereum is great. This is yet another situation where someone has told us not to invest. Maybe you shouldn't invest, stay away from it. And then they kind of go, yeah, you should definitely put your money into these things because they're going to be big. Like I always say, these people may genuinely want you to put your money into these things and invest and make it grow. But these people always have a stake in something when they talk about cryptocurrencies and stuff like that. There's so many high level investors who have thrown dirt on Bitcoin, said it was horrible. You shouldn't even touch it. It's not a myth. it's a pyramid scheme, whatever the case might be. And then we find out months later that they've actually bought 50,000 Bitcoin. And then, they only come out talking about it when the price has gone from 1,500 to 5,000, and they're like, yeah, this is great, I'm even richer. But I digress. It is nice to have another celebrity who has endorsed cryptocurrencies, who has come forward. They will eventually all fall in line. We've seen tons of them. I don't know if you guys use Instagram. There's a lot of celebrities on Instagram who are endorsing ICOs and coins as well. A lot of they're very low coins, but the fact that they're even doing it will also open up other people's minds to the fact that they should start investing in these things. So it's great all around. So last up, this news comes from coindesk.com. I use them a lot. They are awesome. We heard a bit before a while back, it may be even about 2, 3, 4 weeks ago, about the European Central Bank, their leader, Mario Draghi, Draghi. He said before, or is noted for saying, that the European Central Bank doesn't have any power whatsoever to regulate cryptocurrencies as they did not make them. A few days ago, he actually made another statement, which is actually kind of relevant and on topic to all of this. He was talking, I believe it was to, I forgot the exact news network, but this is a thing from CNBC where they reported that Draghi actually told reporters that new things such as cryptocurrencies always come with expectations, but there's also great uncertainty. He actually said that because cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin and all these other things are so new, they aren't mature enough for them to even be considered by the banks, and they're not on their radar because of how new they are. There was another banker who said a couple of days ago, I can't remember the name of it. It's one of the largest banks, they said that people should be very afraid because they see these things in a couple of years completely disrupting traditional markets, which is going to happen. It's already happening. So it's very interesting that he has a completely different side of the coin when it comes to this entire discussion. Draghi actually went on saying that one of the main lessons from last financial crisis that we've had are actually the birth and innovation of things like Bitcoin, that people should be paying attention to them because they are, he didn't say fantastic, but whatever, I'm going to say fantastic. But he also says that they, have potential risks. I think he just kind of has to say things like that. You can't continue to praise something that you have no control over and then, people trying to shy away from the money that you have and the bank that you control. But yeah, it really makes me wonder why any banker would actually say anything nice about cryptocurrencies at all. But at the same time, it is nice to be moving in a good direction when it comes to the acceptance of these currencies. Like we've had a lot of countries who've been coming forward saying that they hate them, but a large majority of them are saying, they may be risky, but we're just going to tax them, let people do what they will. A lot of banks as well have also been coming out saying these certain things like that. It's very nice to have this. I was expecting for a long time we would just have tons of bankers and all these other people kind of saying what JP Morgan Chase has been saying. But yeah, it's nice to have good news. Alrighty guys, that is going to do it for this video. I hope you guys have a great day as usual. Hope you guys are enjoying wherever you are. And yeah, I'll talk to you all soon. See you. Hey everyone, thank you very much again for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys would like to help me and the channel, there are ways to do so in the description below. Thank you very much and talk to you guys soon.